1. Hello, I'd like to book a room. 2. Do you have any rooms available? 3. I'd like a single room, please. 4. I'd like a double room, please. 5. How much is the room per night? 6. Is breakfast included? 7. Can I see the room first? 8. I'd like to stay for 2 nights. 9. I'd like to make a reservation. 10. Could I have a room with a view? 11. I'd like a non-smoking room. 12. Could I check in now? 13. I have a reservation under the name Emma. 14. Here's my passport. 15. Could you help me with check-in? 16. What time is check-in? 17. What time is check-out? 18. Could you give me the room key, please? 19. Is Wi-Fi free? 20. What's the Wi-Fi password? 21. Could you help me with my luggage? 22. Where is the elevator? 23. Which floor is my room on? 24. Is there a restaurant in the hotel? 25. What time is breakfast served? 26. Is room service available? 27. Could I have some extra towels? 28. Could I have another pillow? 29. Could you bring me some drinking water? 30. The air conditioner isn't working. 31. The TV isn't working. 32. There's no hot water. 33. The room is too cold. 34. The room is too noisy. 35. Could I change rooms? 36. Could someone clean my room? 37. Please make up my room. 38. Could I get an extra blanket? 39. Is there a laundry service? 40. Could you call a taxi for me? 41. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? 42. Where is the nearest ATM? 43. Is there a convenience store nearby? 44. Could you wake me up at 6 a.m.? 45. I'd like to extend my stay. 46. Can I stay one more night? 47. I'd like to order some food. 48. Could I have the menu, please? 49. Could you send someone to fix it? 50. Everything is perfect. Thank you. 51. I'd like to check out. 52. Could I have my bill, please? 53. Can I pay by credit card? 54. Can I have a receipt, please? 55. Could you keep my luggage for a few hours? 56. Thank you for your excellent service. 57. We really enjoyed our stay. 58. Have a nice day. 59. Thank you. Goodbye. 60. I hope to stay here again.